Howdy, I'm a spell. Welcome back to another cooking video. Today we will be making, I don't know because I'm recording this ahead of time and I haven't decided yet, but the voiceover me will tell you.
Thanks, Basmi. What you want for this recipe is some chicken breast, butter, panko breadcrumbs, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, and of course, Parmesan. First we need a cup and a half of the Parmesan cheese, and put it into a big shallow bowl alongside a cup and a half of breadcrumbs. Can just use a cup of each of these. I chose to use a bit more, but you do you. Now what you want to do is get a teaspoon, I chose to use a tablespoon, of the paprika and of Cajun, making sure you get it evenly across there. And afterwards what you want to do is mix so it's evenly throughout the entirety of the bowl. You can use the spoon to mix, but it's quicker to use your hands. Once I stopped recording I used my hands because it was quicker. I didn't really do it the most practical way, but what we need next is a fourth of a cup of butter to add into a bowl. Next you want to cut your chicken up. I cut it into sevens, but you can get more out of it if you smush the chicken down beforehand. I just chose not to. I forgot to record this. You need to put the butter ball into the microwave for a good 40 seconds or until all the butter is melted. Once you've done that, what you want to do is dunk your chicken in it and then put it into the breading, which is what I'm going to call it. Mix it around until it's even and then set aside and do the rest. Now of course there is a lot of chicken and I'm not going to bore you to make you sit through all that, so I'm going to skip ahead to when it's all plated.
0.1% guys. Please subscribe if you're new.
15 minutes later.
Okay, that's the chicken plated. Now you want to put your chicken into an air fryer on 200 degrees for 26 minutes.
2 hours later.
And this will be your end result, hopefully. I definitely enjoyed this recipe, and if you guys do too, be sure to leave a comment saying, you know, I tried this at home. And if you have any recipes you would recommend to me, tell me in the comments down below. Be interested to see what you guys enjoy, and who knows, I might make another video dedicated to it. Anyway, see you guys next time.